guys, wagwan wagwan, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to Jamaican Cuisine. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy one pot spinach rice with chicken recipe. Very easy to make and very delicious. You can pop it in the oven or you can do it on your stove top, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. So let's jump right into this recipe. I will be using about 1.5 pounds of chicken legs and thighs. So let's go ahead and season this. My chicken was already washed and cleaned off camera. So I added a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is going to give our chicken a beautiful color and taste, followed by a teaspoon of black garlic seasoning. I will also be adding a teaspoon of dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, that's even better. I will also be adding a heaping teaspoon of this shawarma seasoning that I have. And this is a really delicious spice that I love to use. It's basically a blend of cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, just some beautiful spices together, guys. So I added a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ginger powder, and I will also be adding some of the cinnamon honey that I have. Regular honey will do, so a nice tablespoon. And then I'm gonna add a whole pack of Sazon. You guys know this is my favorite seasoning to use. Then we're gonna add around a teaspoon of oil and mix that in really well. We're gonna set it to the side and you can allow it to marinate for as long as you want it to. I let mine sit for around 30 minutes. So I added 2 teaspoons of oil to my cast iron skillet, and I'm just gonna add my chicken skin side up. And guys, a regular baking dish will do if you don't have a cast iron skillet. And to my 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven, I will go ahead and bake my chicken uncovered for around 15 to 20 minutes just to give it some color on the outside. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and wash our rice. I will be using 2 cups of basmati rice, and then we're gonna add it to our baking dish. So to my rice, I will be adding 1.5 cups of water, followed by a full pack of Sazon, a pinch of turmeric, and a heaping tablespoon of unsalted butter. And you really could substitute some chicken stock for water or whatever stock you have that would give your rice more flavor, but I'm just using what I have, guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach, and I will be using around 1.5 cups of frozen spinach. If you have fresh spinach, that will work as well. Go ahead and mix that in really well, guys. I also decided to add another teaspoon of butter to the tablespoon that I added. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken. This is how our chicken pieces are looking. A nice little stir on the outside, but it's really not fully cooked as yet. So I will be adding some of the juices that my chicken produced while it was baking, just for some additional flavor. And then we're gonna cover this baby right here, and we're gonna go ahead and bake it in our 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes. And then after that 40 minutes, this is how we're looking, guys. It's good to check to see if your rice is finished first. I'm using basmati rice, so it takes a shorter time to cook than regular rice because the regular rice has more starch. So it's good to check to see if it needs a little bit more time. You can always add some more of your chicken juices, cover it, and add it for like 10 more minutes back to your oven, guys. But this is how we're looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up on this video. If you're not yet subscribed, where you wait pan, come join the Jamaican family. Thank you guys so much for always supporting. See you guys in the next video. Walk good and stay safe. Until next time.